Good morning. It is a Sunday morning and we have a baptism. So we did a tutorial where we showed you about our portable baptism pool. Here's Andrew, my Deja. So we're getting ready to set up this. It's like a portable tent where you can just set the tent up anywhere you go, like if you go camping or anything like that. However, we need it because we do street witnessing and I'm not comfortable bringing just everybody inside of my home. So we started doing a baptism since the summer outside, and we bought a portable tent so that the people could go inside to change into the baptism, like shorts and t-shirt, and then when they're out of the pool they can go back in and change into their regular clothes. So we're going to do a tutorial on this tent and show you how to set it up and break it down. We're not the best at breaking it down, but we're going to show you how it works. So let's go. Okay, so Andrew here has a tent, and the tent is by this company, Alvantor. So you can go there to check that out. Just gonna go ahead and break that out. And it's really portable. You just fold it up into the circle and put it in the bag. Now he's going to
unclick the thing.
Because don't he has to. What?
It has a.
So what are we doing?
She said unclick.
Take this out.
Taking
Yep,
it.
and it opens.
Oh, let me get that.
Yep, and then it automatically opens.
And then there's the zippers there where you can unzip.
Ta-da!
Ta-da. So what it does, it has the tassels on the side where you can actually put the weights on there and stake it into the grass. So that's what we're getting ready to do. Just kind of showing you what the tent looks like. So we're gonna get the stakes now, stake it, and put the weights on there. So now what Radeja's gonna do, she has the tarp which goes at the bottom of the tent, and I'm just gonna pick the camera up and show you. So this is the tarp that goes inside the bottom so that the people aren't standing on like the grass or the ground. She's gonna first lay that down. We're gonna pick the tent up, and then we will place the tent on top of that and start to stake it down. So let me just sit this tripod down and we will start to do all of that. Okay, so now the tarp is down flat, and we're gonna put the tent on top.
Easiest picture too.
And then there are corners to the tent that you stake down as well. Oh, that's smart.
I mean, I just saw her do it.
You're just gonna loop it into the stakes that are already down. We do have 4 extra stakes where you could just stake that in, but this is pretty smart.
Yeah.
They give you 4 bags where you can put the weights in to attach it to the tent. So they're just gonna take those bags. I ordered off Amazon 4 5-pound weights or 10-pound weights. I'll double check that.
They're 5.
5-pound weights. And so she's gonna take that and now attach it to the strings on the tent. Okay, so we're trying to figure out the best way because this is our first time using the weights. So what he's just gonna do is take the string from the tent, loop it around the donut weight, which is 5 pounds, a few times. And then we're gonna put it in the bag just to cover it, protect it. Tighten the bag, and then just drop it, place it on the ground. So they give you 4 weights. So they give you 4 weights. We're gonna just use 2 right now, kitty corner, because I gotta put the tarp over the pool once we fill it, because the baptism is later today, and then we'll take those 2 weights from the tarp that's gonna be on this pool and then put it to the tent. So Rhodesia has gotten the other weight.
I did it 4 times.
So she's gonna wrap it around there about 4 times. Put it in the bag. And then they're gonna drop it at a distance from the tent. And so now this should not blow down. Like I say, we're gonna add a weight to this corner and the front corner once we're done using the other 2 weights for something else. But this is pretty much the setup. We have the tent where they can go in and get changed right here. And then this is the pool where we'll be doing the baptism. So now we have a portable pool and a portable tent. Okay, so you saw me earlier with Rhodesia and Andrew. We were putting up this tent. So just to show you again, this is what the tent looks like. This is what we use for when we're doing outreach baptisms, things like that. Just so again, I stated, so that everyone isn't coming in my home that I'm not comfortable with, that we meet on the street, we can put up this tent and just let them come in, and I'll like close it and open it and show you how this works. So there's a zipper here on the inside and the out, but I'm going to use the inside zipper.
So you're gonna want to have a place for someone to get changed into clothes that they don't mind being wet in, and to change out into their regular clothes after the baptism.
And there's much privacy in there. So, and the great thing about it is it's portable, so you can take it down and put it up wherever you're traveling, doing baptisms. Now we're gonna go ahead and take the tent down. So this is only our 2nd time doing this, so
We'll see. Might be a little rough. First, you just gonna undo the weight system. My broken glasses falling off my face. Stylish. Ooh, he's hot. Undo the stakes.
And it comes with this bag where you can keep all the stake. That's way you're not losing things, so put it up as you go.
So zip it all the way up.
You take the front right corner, you push it to the cattle corner. And then we just hold it like this, and we can lay it down. Now this is the part where it's gonna be a little bit tricky.
So are you gonna find the buckle?
And you buckle them.
Like so.
And then this is supposed to lay pretty flat. And then you take the bottom half, push it toward the middle. And take the top half and push it toward the middle.
And voila.
Woo, that was way better than our first time. You just keep it close and then put it in the bag.
So she's gonna grab the bag and we're gonna put this in the bag.
Now we just put this in the bag.
And you just zip it up.
Make sure you get that string in.
Yep.
And you put the other stuff in the bag too.
Yes.
Okay.
But that's how it goes.
Yeah.
You can travel with it and take it wherever you go.
Model. And it's also really light too. I would really say
Yes.
5 pounds or so.
Less than
5 pounds.
It's probably 2. Yeah, like 2 pounds. So, okay. Well, thanks for watching this video. Hope this helps for those of you that are, going out to do baptisms and traveling and thinking of ways to be creative with having places for the person to change, but then also having a portable pool to baptize them in. Hopefully these videos are helping to give you some ideas of what to do to be successful in your evangelism efforts. Bye.